Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Fortnite error code LS-0016, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply just forcefully close Epic Games Launcher or Fortnite if you have it open, and you can do that by opening up the task manager by either going over to search, typing it in, or just hit Control Shift and Escape at the same time, and then make your way over to just apps. It should be right here, Epic Games Launcher, hit task, and that basically just forcefully closes it. Now, another thing that you guys can do is open up Epic Games Launcher. And by the way, once you forcefully close it, you can just start off Fortnite and you can check to see if that works. But the second method you guys can do is make your way over to Library, look for Fortnite, hit the three horizontal dots and go over to Manage, and then go and hit Verify Files. And basically what this does is that it just checks to see if there are any corrupt files, and it will fix that issue as well. So once that's done verifying, you can launch Fortnite and you can check to see if that fixes as well. And the third method that you guys can do is simply just restart your PC. You can just go ahead and just restart your PC normally. You can also check to see if that works. And you guys can also make sure that if there are any updates, go ahead and just update the game, because updating the game can also fix the issue. And once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.